In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Royal Caribbean cruise job. And to get started, head over to careers.royalcaribbeangroup.com. And once inside, head over and click on apply. Now, from here, start browsing jobs in hospitality, entertainment, food and beverage, guest services, or technical roles. Just a reminder that you must be 18 years old and above or 21 years old and above for some roles. You must also have a valid passport, be fluent in English, and prepare your resume or CV plus certifications relevant to the position. Now, here, start creating an account, pick a job that you want, and start uploading your resume. There are no fees required, and some countries may have authorized hiring partners. Make sure that you check the official site first. And next, if your application passes the first check, you may be invited for online or video interviews, background checks, and additional assessments. Once selected, you'll then receive a job offer and do a medical exam. After clearing all steps, accept your offer and get ready for your first cruise assignment. Accommodations and meals are provided on board, and your adventure at sea begins. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!